we will learn to crochet this beautiful bow. This bow you can use as a hair clip, as a keychain, as a bag charm. Even you can use as a brooch for your dress and coat. Let's get started. For this I am using 2.5 mm crochet hook and these two color of acrylic yarn, which is 4 ply. First make a slip knot and make chain 63. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 62 and 63. We have 63 chain. Now skip the very first chain and make single crochet in next chain. Make 5 more single crochet in 5 chain. In total we will make 6 single crochet. This is our third single crochet. 4 5 and 6. After 6 single crochet, make 6 slip stitch like this. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After 6 slip stitch, make 16 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 15 and 16. After 16 single crochet, make 6 slip stitch again. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After 6 slip stitch, make 16 single crochet here. 1 2 3 4 15 and 16. Make 6 slip stitch again. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is last 6 chain remaining. We'll make 6 single crochet here. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. What we did is 6 single crochet in very first 6 chain. After that 6 slip stitch, 16 single crochet, 6 slip stitch, 16 single crochet, 6 slip stitch, and at last again 6 single crochet. This is our foundation. Now we will chain 1 and turn our work. What we will do is just make the same stitches on the base of the stitches that we have just completed in the very first row, but we will crochet only in the back loop. This is the 6 single stitches or single crochet. I'm gonna single crochet on the top of it, but using only back loop. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now this is the 6th slip stitch. We'll make slip stitch here, but only in back loop. We'll only crochet single crochet and slip stitch, and we'll crochet 6 row. This is our first row. I'm working on second row. We'll make 4 row more and our bow will be ready after that. Now we will single crochet here only using the back loops. This is our process of crocheting bow. So you just have to repeat the stitches till you reach the 6th row. I'll see you in a 6th row. So after 6th row completion, our bow look like this. What we have done is we chain 63, skip the very first chain. We use 62 chain to make this bow. First of all, we made 6 single crochet here and 6 slip stitch, 16 single crochet, 6 slip stitch, 16 single crochet, 6 slip stitch and 6 single crochet. In the 2 place we made 6, 6, 16 and 6. And now I'm gonna add a little bit border to give a different and beautiful look. I'm adding white color. Insert your hook any corner of the bow and add a different color. Chain 3, 2, 3, skip the very second chain and slip stitch in 3rd chain. 3 chain, skip this chain and make a slip stitch in next one. 3 chain, skip this and slip stitch here. Now in this slip stitch we'll make slip stitch here. Slip stitch, make 3 chain, skip this one and make slip stitch here. Following this process we will make border throughout this bow. We'll complete this border all around the bow and we will make a bow. We added the border and our bow look like this. Isn't it beautiful? Now let's make the bow. This is our opposite part and this is our right part. So fold the bow like this. This 6 slip stitch and this is slip stitch together. Hold like this and bring another part like this. Now wrap the yarn and make a bow. Hold this section, we'll tie later, and wrap the yarn. Not so much tight, not so much loose. Gently wrap. Keep wrapping until you feel it's tight and secure. Wrap few more round. cut the yarn. And bring these two yarn together and make a knot its opposite section. One more knot. And cut the extra yarn. Here it is. Our cute and beautiful bow is ready. If you want to leave the bow as it is, this is also beautiful. But if you want to hide this wrapping section, then you can add a little flower on it. This is also beautiful. And you also can add this little heart, little bow, make it different. If you want this tutorial, I have already uploaded how to crochet this mini heart tutorial in my YouTube channel. You can watch it. So our bow is ready. If you want to add the clip, you can glue or sew this kind of clip here. I hope you like my tutorial. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.